Perfect. Perfect.
Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to another video. Alright guys, this video is gonna go pretty quickly because you guys have seen me do my hair like a million times. Literally we're gonna fix the bush hair right now. I'm just parting off the front so that I can have some type of leave out to camouflage this crochet install. So I'm just going to kind of like put flat twists at the front, but look at that damage right there. You see that? That is one of the reasons why I gotta cut this bush. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of separate section around the perimeter, probably like an inch wide or something. Yeah, just so that I can have something to camouflage the crochet braids themselves. So I'm just securing off that area. I'm gonna moisturize using the Palmer's Hair Milk. Yeah, this is pretty good moisture, and this is the problem with my hair, but I do recommend whenever you're going to do a protective style of any sort, you make sure that you moisturize. Like, you have to moisturize so that the style will last you and your hair will be protected under whatever protective style that you are doing. So I'm just combing my hair up, you know, just to make sure everything is detangled and that moisturizer spreads. So that back part that I was supposed to do like the leave out, this part here is for if you want to put the hair in a ponytail or catch it up and you don't want the knots around the back to show. So I'm just securing that area the same way I secured the rest of it with a flat twist, and we're going to work on those later on. Guys, before we get any further into the video, go ahead, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I put out a brand new video. Alright, so also follow my socials while you can. The links will be in the description bar, and I'm at NaturallyMsToya on everything. So with the middle of my hair, all I'm gonna do is do like literally one flat twist going down. It's gonna be in like a zigzag type of motion from one side to the next side. So all I did was I made horizontal parts all throughout that section that I didn't do anything, just horizontal parts, and I joined each horizontal part when it got to the edge. You guys will see, I swear, like if I try to explain this, like I will literally make no sense, but just watch the video. It's pretty self-explanatory and I did not want this to be complicated. So yeah, just keep on watching. Basically, you guys get a gist of what I was trying to say with the braid pattern or flat twist pattern or whatever. All I did was for the edges, the leave out section, I just moisturized it, and my intention is to do like a braid out kind of pattern. So just put some product in there so that you can have some type of braid out pattern when you're done taking down the braids. I'm going to be using the Design Essentials Aloe and Peppermint Moisturizer, like hair and scalp tonic, I think it's called. And if you're going to be doing a protective style, you're going to need some type of like anti-itch remedy, if that makes sense. So I'm just applying that to my scalp so that I can have, you know, that sitting on there and I won't be as irritated. Alright guys, so the hair that I am using today is this right here. And this is the same hair I used in my previous hair tutorial, so it is my DIY passion twists. All I did was to undo the twists and use the regular curls, and this is of course after using it for the first style, so it had a bit more texture, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm just putting those curls onto the flat twists. When I get to the top, I'm going to put them on the twists and right above the twists, so that's going to give me a lot of volume and make my style look even more appealing. So I'm just showing you guys how far I am. This is how the back currently looks, with probably I'd say 2/3 of the hair that I had. So yeah, I'm applying the hair to the twists to cover up the twists, and then I'm also going to put hair on top of the twists, as in above it, and it's going to give me of course some added volume. Now to camouflage the, I guess you can say, knots, even though they're barely visible, I told you guys I did a braid out for my leave out. You see that curl pattern? Yeah, it's barely there. If it got to stay there a little bit longer, then you know, of course it would look more defined, but you guys get the idea. It still worked. So I'm just taking down those corners that I would have had, and that's the texture that I have now. Very, very compatible. You see that up close? Yeah, it's a really good match. So I'm just going to take down the rest, and you know, that's going to, so I'm just going to take down the rest and begin to, I guess, style the rest of the hair. And that's what I have when I took it all down. So you're good with it just like that. Of course you do some back combing at the roots so that it's camouflaged a bit more, but you know, pretty much that's what we have. Then I'm gonna just lay my edges, of course, my little baby hairs. What would this style be without my baby hairs? Like, no, I put it apart the girly, yeah. So after laying those, I'm going to go ahead and do two things. I'm going to kind of define the curls a bit more with this Cantu Natural Hair Comeback Curl Revitalizer. I'm just going to spray some of that on the hair and smooth it down, and this is kind of going to be like, you know, it's going to activate the curls a little bit and make it look a bit more appealing, and it smells great. So that came in really handy. And then I'm also going to trim loose hair from the ends of the hair, just to, you know, get rid of anything that doesn't look cute down there, and also kind of give it like a little bit more of a layered look, so that, you know, it kind of frames my face. But for the most part, guys, that is it. That's all I did. Stay tuned for the full details on the style and what I think about it. Okay guys, so I'm here to give you the actual details on the style, how many packs of hair I use, stuff like that. You guys know how I do my little hair tutorials, okay? I think it came out exactly how I wanted it to come out. I ended up, if I have to calculate it, I'd say I have in about between 10 and 12 packs of realistic slash kanekalon type textures in my head right now. So it's a lot of hair, you know, pack wise, but believe me, this feel like nothing left on my head, like nothing at all, girl, like nothing. So yeah, it was a pretty quick process. Let's see what time now. It is now 12:08. I started at 10:30 something, so almost 11 o'clock. Girl, this never take me no time. Are you serious? Yeah, my edge control is doing that little shiny thing, but I really watch that still. I did the pin to give me kind of like a little over my flat twist, but you don't have to do that. You can literally leave it and it will look just the same, but I thought this gave it a little flair. There's one more thing that I'm going to be doing, which I really don't even know if I want to do it on camera or just wait. And that is definitely adding my 2 gypsy curls at the front, girl. Like, I feel like I should do it so you guys can see how I did that. Hold on. So for my gypsy curls, I used my Freetress Deep Twist braid, and this is in the 22-inch length, but it really doesn't matter for this step at all. You know, this is kind of like showing you guys how the texture looks, but all I do is all I do is I cut a piece of the hair. Don't mind this, it's tangled, but I'm gonna fix it with some mousse So if you come upon your hair and it looks like this, you just drench it with mousse and it will go right back to its original texture once it's curly hair. So just run your mousse through it like that. Alright, so for my gypsy curls, I use small locks of hair like this. It's kind of long, but I'm gonna cut it to the length that I want, like after I finish putting it in. So all I do is I get my crochet pin and I just carry it through where I want the curl to fall. Most of the times you guys will see these curls on like my faux lock installs, like at the front. So of course in an instance like that, it goes underneath the base of the lock or whatever. But with this I have to be careful because if I pull, I'll pull my style out. Yeah, that's cute. It's a bit longer than I would want, so I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, that should be fine. I'm gonna put one on the other side as well. I don't remember if I tied the other one, but you're supposed to tie it, guys. You're supposed to tie it like that. I'm just trying to rush. I'm late for a business meeting right now. I don't remember tying this one and it keeps doing that funny thing, so I don't think I tied it, so I'm just gonna tie it. And it's curly hair, so you have to tie it or it's going to unravel. Yeah. This is for an instance where you'd want, like, you know, if you want bangs, you can just go crazy and just put more curls there, but this is enough for me. You colored this? Oh my, this is so beautiful. I love it. Good job, baby. Do more. Do more. I want something red.
Okay.
Alright. Muddy puddles? Okay. Yeah, so guys, so that's pretty much all I do. So it's 10 to 12 packs of realistic / kanekalon texture, whatever you guys want. You can use the nappy honey, you can use kanekalon, you can use anything you want to use, guys. And I just thought this was really fitting for a summer hairstyle. I know it's gonna be hot, but oh no, me, like, I don't really care. Like, if it look cute, I shall be doing it. Like, it don't really matter if it's hot or not. Beauty is sometimes pain, girl. So right now, I think I'm probably gonna wrap this for 2 weeks. My birthday is coming up and I want to do a photo shoot with this style. So I didn't really intend to do it this early, but I needed to do my hair and I'm not gonna be putting in another style to take it out prematurely to put in this style just for a photo shoot. That makes no sense to me. So right now I'm contemplating whether or not I should do this for my birthday or my Nubian locks. I want 2 concept shoots, like 2 of them. So one is gonna be for this, one is gonna be for my Nubian locks. Look out for those pictures on my Instagram, guys, and follow me right now if you're not already following me on there. But I love this look, guys. It's giving me scissor vibes. Like, I don't know, I love big hair. I actually have about 2 versions of this on my channel already, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna link those in the description bar below. They're like pretty much the same, just one with like a different hair. Or they're both with different. I'm gonna put those 2 tutorials that I'm thinking about. I'm gonna put them in the comments, not in the comments, in the description bar for you guys. Yeah, but I haven't done a black lip in a while, so I just thought today I would just do that, you know, with my little faux beauty marks and stuff. Got one right there, one right there, one right there, one like that. Yeah, it's a vibe, girl. But this is a close-up of my hairline on the Tectable crochet braids. I just feel like that's the whole point of it all. Like, if you're gonna do it and everybody's gonna know it's not yours, like right off the bat, like, geez, none of your ear ducts. Hence why I didn't use the colored pieces of hair, because I wanted it to look as natural as possible. But
this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys found it helpful, give me a thumbs up so I can know that I should put out more content like this. And also subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give me a thumbs up and also follow my socials. All my social links will be in the description bar below. And I'm gonna put the info on the hair that I use in case you guys didn't, you know, catch it in the video for whatever reason. I'm gonna put it in the description bar. I love y'all and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.